Hi, and welcome to Steam Powered Family. Today we're doing a wind turbine project with our students. You can grab all the information, including step-by-step written directions, on the website at steampoweredfamily.com. We also have an image of these shapes that you can grab, and these are for making the blades and turbine front. So we're using a Pringles can, and you want to measure out for the center of your Pringles can. This is really important to ensure that it stays balanced when it's spinning. We're going to measure down about 4 centimeters from the top and make a small little hole. And then what we're going to do is we're going to successively make this hole larger using either a nail or an awl or wood skewers and then a pencil. And you want to get to the point that you make the hole wide enough to fit your straw. So we're just going to measure there, perfect, and now we're just going to widen out the other side too, because the straw is going to go all the way through the can eventually. Now, take your design, have your kids get creative with this and make their own design. And you want to create the design that is going to fit really nicely with those holes so it makes sense when it goes through the design. And your kids can do whatever you want. We did this kind of stonework design. You can do whatever you want with your kids. Glue it into place so that it's nice and secure on the can. There we go. And now we're going to go and make a hole through the design. So this is where it was really important to make sure that your design works with where the hole is going to go through. We're going to measure out the center of the circle. And this is the center of the circle where the blades are going to be attached. And you're just going to put a skewer through there. There we go. Now we've got our blades for our wind turbine. And we're going to use a pencil to just gently roll them. It's really important that you make sure that these are all rolled in the same direction. So make sure you're consistent. This is so that they all will capture the wind properly. So there we go. We've got them all nicely curled. And now we're going to slide them into the circle that we've cut out. This is all done on cardstock. You want to make sure it's nice and strong paper. And we're going to glue them into place. Make sure again that those blades are all facing the same direction so that they can capture the wind. There we go. Now while that's drying, we're going to take a skewer and we're going to glue a bead onto the end. You're going to need a total of 4 beads here to glue onto this skewer. And then we're going to put it through, and then we're going to glue another bead onto the back, and that's to hold the blade structure in place securely. Don't glue it too tight, but you do want it just nice and secure. Now we've put the straw through our Pringles can, and we're going to slide the skewer through, and now we're going to add a bead on the back. This one you want to leave a little bit of play because it's really important that it has room to spin. And now we're going to glue that bead into place, and then we're going to add a second bead towards the end. You can just snip the little sharp end off of your skewer there and then glue that into place as well. And there we go. There's our wind turbine structure finished. We add some sand. You can add pebbles, marbles, anything that's going to add some weight and stability to it for when the wind hits it. Now tie a little piece of string onto the end there between those 2 beads on the skewer. And just make sure it's really nice and secure. You want to probably do a double knot. And then on the end of that string, you can attach a washer, or we did a minifig in a project one time. You could attach whatever you wanted to the end there. And now just turn on a fan or a hairdryer and watch your wind turbine pick up the washer. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to get more fun STEM ideas, and visit steampoweredfamily.com to get even more details and ideas for your STEM activities and projects with your kids. Bye for now.